Hey, my name is Timba Heat, and in this video, we're going to be learning a fun new move called the Doble Cruces. Without further ado, let's get right into it. 5, 6, somos uno, y 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, una más, y 1, 2, 3, Doble Cruces. So from here, I'm going to bring that left leg in front to cross on the 1, open up on the end, open again on the 2, close on the end, and cross on 3, hold the 4, cross on 5, open and open 6, close on the end, cross 7, and then somos uno on the 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Let's try it nice and slow. Here we go. Doble cruces. 1 and 2 and 3. Hold the 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. Hold the 8 and 1, 2, 3. Allí nada más. Alright guys, so the main thing for this move is honestly keeping it nice and tight. I can't stress it enough, guys. The further you are with your steps, the harder it's going to be to get back on time. You'll lose your balance, you'll look sloppy on the dance floor. The list can go on. So make sure you keep it nice and tight. Another thing, make sure you are pausing and holding those pauses on that 4 and the 8. Watch, if I go 1, 2, y 3, hold that 4 and 5, 6, y 7, hold that 8 and 1, 2, 3. It gives the move a beautiful flow to it. So let's try some halftime music and then we'll do it at full speed. Here we go. Hey, if you're getting value out of this video, go ahead and smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm if you haven't done so already. This helps me in the channel tremendously so we can reach out to others and share the love of dance. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more educational budget-training videos. Muchas gracias, and back to the lesson. 5, 6, somos uno. 1, 2, 3. Oye, doble cruce, sí. 1, 2 y 3. 5, 6 y 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, double time. Here we go, doble cruces. 1 and 2 and 3, 5 and 6 and 7, and on 1. One more time, here we go. Doble cruces. Last one, here we go. Doble cruces. Allí nada más. All right, mi gente, this will conclude it for today. Thank you so much for joining me. I truly appreciate it. To watch more videos of previous moves that we learned, make sure to click the video at the end screen to continue your salsa journey. Muchas gracias. My name is Timba Heat. This is Timba Heat Dance Company. Keep dancing, your friends. Y hasta la próxima.